Hey guys, this is me, Christina Marie. I'm doing a foundation tutorial. This is the LA Color Foundation that you find at the 99-cent store. I don't know any other stores that carry it, but I thought I would put this to the test and see, does it actually cover redness in my skin? Does it stay on all day? I don't know. I just wanted to show you guys this really quick. So I did one of these oil tests, and believe it or not, here it is, the LA Color. This bad boy didn't bleed one bit. So it actually is like registering that it has no like oil in it on that chart, on that cardboard. But if you read the ingredients, the second ingredient does say mineral oil. So I don't know. Let's just go ahead and try it out. That is just to see how much a product will actually bleed or separate. I actually thought I was testing out the oil, but this says it has oil in it, and it didn't show it on that cardboard. So you guys check that out. Maybe that's one of the reasons it didn't bleed, because look at how thick that is. Wow. I don't know. I am crossing my fingers on this. Oh, $1. Come on, $1. Okay, so let's go ahead and see. I might have gotten a shade lighter than... Oh no, this looks good. I have never had a harder time at making a foundation work. It's like, I don't know if you guys can see it in the monitor, but, I mean, it's like freaking patchy. Patchy and cakey. This is like beyond frustrating. Let me just zoom you guys in so you guys can see my frustration. Okay guys, level. Can you see this? Like, okay guys, can you see this right here? Like, you see, it didn't even go on in that, it didn't go on that spot. It went on here. Then on some parts of the face, like look at the corner, it didn't cover. It just looks like, and look, so I'm gonna put a little bit more on top of that spot right here, right? Blend it out like I normally would. I mean, are we seeing this? Like, I've never had so much problems. Look, now it's patchy here and here and here. Now it just removed all right there. Look, it took it off totally right there now. Okay, so I am going to give this another attempt right now on, let's just try it with the finger. What the fuck? Oh my, look at this. This is absolutely freaking ridiculous. Like, ridiculous. Guys, like, absolutely 1000% absurd. Yeah, I know it didn't bleed on the board here when I put, where was it on the board? I know it didn't bleed on the board right here, but I don't know why it didn't bleed. This is like, you know what, but this is the worst makeup of all time, hands down. 1000%. And that mineral oil, like, look at my face, feels like it has like a, yeah, like a funky product oil on it. But look at the, I mean, come on, like, hate 1000%. Don't go buy this. This is absolutely horrific. Oh guys, what did you think? I mean, maybe you've tried this and had a totally different reaction than I did. Absolutely horrific. I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section below, because I know I'm not the only person who has tried the LA Color foundations, but it did not work at all, obviously, as you saw. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit that little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it, and leave me a comment down below. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.